If you've been curling for months and your biceps look exactly the same as when you started, you're not cursed, you're just doing it wrong, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to fix. Let's start with something nobody tells beginners. Your bicep has one job: to curl your arm and to supinate your wrist. That means rotating it outward. That's it. That's the whole muscle. Here's mistake number 1, and almost every beginner does this. Your elbows are moving forward when you curl. The moment your elbow travels forward, your shoulder takes over. Your bicep basically clocks out. Elbows stay pinned to your sides. They are not allowed to move. They live there now. The weight you're using is probably too heavy. I know. Nobody wants to hear that. But if you're swinging your whole body to get the dumbbell up, your bicep is barely working. Your lower back is doing a deadlift every single rep. Drop the weight. Feel the muscle work. Then go heavier. Ego is the reason most people stay small. Here's what a proper curl looks like. Start with the dumbbell at your side. Palm facing forward. Curl it up slowly. Squeeze at the top. Then lower it even slower. That lowering part is called the eccentric. And most people just drop the weight back down like it owes them money. The eccentric builds as much muscle as the curl itself. Take 3 seconds to lower it. There are 3 curls every beginner should know. Number 1, the standard dumbbell curl. Everything we just covered. This is your foundation. Number 2, the hammer curl. Same movement, but your palms face inward the whole time. Number 3, the incline dumbbell curl. You sit back on an incline, arms hanging behind you, and curl from a stretched position. This puts your bicep under tension at the bottom of the movement, which is where most curls are completely wasted. If you add 1 curl to your routine this week, make it this one. One more thing beginners get wrong, and this one actually surprises people. Rest between sets. Most beginners either rest for 30 seconds, or they rest for 15 minutes scrolling their phone. Both are wrong, 90 seconds to 2 minutes. That's your rest. Here's the simple beginner bicep plan. 2 bicep exercises per session. 10 to 15 reps. Add weight when you can hit the top of the rep range easily. Do this consistently for 3 months, and you will not recognize your arms. Coach Tub, out.